Alright, y'all, what's up? Your boy back at it with another unboxing. Today we got the Tussie heat press machine, Hog 100,000 whatever A. This bad boy open. User manual. Back to the side. With this nice plywood. All this white stuff here. Like a mess everywhere. Things make a mess, man. Wait on it. The handles. It's right here for now. Little safety pad. Keep it nice and moist. Fresh. Take a look. Not bad, not bad. Set that down again. Place this over here. It's gonna be. The mat look a little, I don't know if that's mold or some stuck on safety foam, the traveling foam they put in between. I definitely have to give them a call after I check this out, see what it is. It's not looking too good. So yeah, Tussie's gonna be getting a call. So far so good. Plug this bad boy in and see how it's cooking. Oh, that's a good sign. Yeah, well, this is it, people. The Tootsie Heat Press. Or liver. Love to know what this is right here. I'm gonna do a further inspection. I don't want to touch it too much. But yeah, this is it, man. The Tootsie Heat Press. Numbers rising, so it's working. How long it takes to heat up. And yeah, this is it, people. It's another unboxing. And this time it's the Tootsie Heat Press.